Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Wabtec's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Wabtec has reported a strong third quarter, and I'm excited to break down the numbers and insights with you today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Wabtec reported net sales of $2.89 billion for the third quarter, an 8.4% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in revenue is primarily driven by higher sales in both the freight and transit segments. The freight segment saw a significant boost from locomotive deliveries and the acquisition of Inspection Technologies, while the transit segment benefited from increased original equipment and aftermarket sales.
And how about profitability? The adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.32, which is a 16% increase from last year. What contributed to this impressive performance?
Wabtec's profitability was bolstered by improved gross margins and operating margin expansion. The adjusted operating margin increased to 21%, up 1.3 percentage points from the previous year, thanks to disciplined cost management and operational efficiencies.
Segment performance and backlog. John, let's delve into the segment performance. How did the freight and transit segments fare this quarter?
The freight segment reported sales of $2.09 billion, up 8.4% year over year, driven by strong equipment and digital sales. The transit segment also performed well, with sales increasing by 8.2% to $793 million, supported by higher original equipment and aftermarket sales.
Wabtec's backlog is another highlight. Can you tell us more about its significance?
Absolutely. Wabtec's total backlog stands at $25.6 billion, providing strong visibility into future revenue streams. The 12-month backlog grew by 8.4%, reflecting robust demand and a healthy pipeline of opportunities.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Wabtec has shown significant operational efficiencies this quarter. What are the key factors contributing to this?
The company has effectively managed its cost structure, leading to a GAAP operating margin of 17% and an adjusted operating margin of 21.0%. This is a result of improved gross margins and strategic cost management, despite higher operating expenses as a percentage of revenue.
Looking ahead, what is Wabtec's guidance for the rest of the year?
Wabtec has raised its 2025 adjusted EPS guidance to a range of $8.85 to $9.05, reflecting confidence in its ongoing performance. The company also expects full-year revenues between $10.925 billion and $11.225 billion, indicating a strong growth trajectory.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. John, what insights did Wabtec's CEO, Rafael Santana, share about the company's strategic direction?
Rafael Santana emphasized the company's commitment to product innovation and disciplined cost management. He highlighted the importance of partnerships with customers and the team's dedication to driving profitable growth, even in a dynamic economic environment. Wabtec's vision for a sustainable rail system is central to its long-term strategy.
How does this align with Wabtec's current performance and future prospects?
Wabtec's strong financial results and robust backlog underscore its strategic focus. The company's initiatives in innovation and cost management are clearly paying off, positioning it well for continued success in the rail industry.
EPS forecast and market reaction. Let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.27, but Wabtec delivered an adjusted EPS of $2.32. How did the market react to this beat?
The market responded positively to Wabtec's earnings beat, as the actual EPS exceeded expectations by 5 cents. This demonstrates the company's strong operational performance and ability to deliver value to shareholders, reinforcing investor confidence.
What does this mean for Wabtec's stock and investor sentiment moving forward?
With the EPS beat and raised guidance, investor sentiment is likely to remain positive. Wabtec's strong financial performance and strategic initiatives provide a solid foundation for future growth, making it an attractive investment opportunity.
Key takeaways. In summary, Wabtec has delivered a robust third quarter with strong revenue growth, an EPS beat, and a healthy backlog. The company's strategic focus on innovation and cost management is clearly driving its success. John, any final thoughts?
Wabtec's performance this quarter is impressive, and its raised guidance reflects confidence in its future prospects. Investors should keep an eye on Wabtec as it continues to execute its strategic initiatives and capitalize on market opportunities.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Wabtec's performance in the comments below. Until next time.